Siren Language School.
Let's learn fruits name with Siren Language School. Apple, watermelon, orange, pear, cherry, strawberry, grape, mango, pomegranate, plum, apricot, grapefruit, melon, banana, damson, papaya, coconut, peach, avocado, custard apple, guava, pumpkin, lychee, sapodilla, dates, fig, gruyere, carambola, cranberry, hanapoot, jackfruit, jamon fruit, bullberry, persimmon, quince, red currant, jujube, elderberry, olive, tamarind, cashew apple, sugar cane, shaddock, gooseberry, durlin, raspberry, kiwi, dragon fruit. Thanks for watching. Please like and follow for more.
Chin. Shark. TH. Thumb. WH. Whistle. BL. Blueberry. CL. Clow. FL. Flower. GL. Glue. SL. Slide. CS. Scarf. SK. Skunk. SM. Smoke. S. Snail. SP. Spoo. Saint. Star. SW. SWA. BR. Broccoli. CR. Crab. DR. Dress. Father. From. GR. Grapes. PR. Pretzel. TR. Truck. SCR. Scream. SPL. Splatter. SPR. Sprinkle. SDR. Strike. Make the bed. Take out the trash. Get dressed. Go for a walk. Take a nap. Mop floors. Do the dusting. Do the dishes. Do the laundry. Vacuum. Put on makeup. Do your hair. Go home. Go shopping. Go swimming. Go to sleep. Go to school. Go to work. Go on vacation. Go on a date. Go on a trip. Go for a walk. Go for a swim. Go for a roo. Go to the park. Do to the cinema. Do to the beach.
Siren Language School.
Get up. Put on. Go on. Turn on. Pick up. Write down. Sit down. Give back. Call back.
Henpecked. Controlled by wife. Couch potato. Lazy TV watcher. Workaholic. Addicted to work. Bookworm. Loves reading books. Chatterbox. Talks a lot. Cheapskate. Very stingy perso. Social butterfly. Very sociable perso. Loner likes being alone. Slacker avoids work or responsibility. Build, throw, sing, carry, climb, paint, school. We are horse, do, We are at school. At school, we do lots of things. We can write and draw. We have fun at school. We love school. Pets. He has, we, or you. She has a dog. He has a cat. I have a rat. You have a pig. We all have pets. My pink pig. I. Dog. A. 2. Work. I have a pig. It is a pink pig. My pink pig likes to run. It likes to eat. My pink pig loves me. Home. House. Buy. Purchase. Beautiful. Pretty. Sad. Unhappy. Sick. Ill. Afraid. Scared. Baggy. Start. End. Finish. Whim. Lady. Good. Fine. Get. Receive. Tall. High. Gift. Present. Hard. Difficulty. Near. Close. Rude. Impolite.
Cat, mat, rat, nap, ham, cab, sat, man, van, tap, hat, mat, lead, net, pet, met, fed, bed, bet, wet, let, yet, vet, hen, kid, lip, sit, bit, lid, pin, tin, win, vin, sin, kit, bin, bud, bus, mug, rug, nut, dub, sub, put, cut, cud, cub, butt.
Learning English. Learning English is important because it is a global language. It helps us talk to people from different countries. English is also useful for jobs, travel, and studying. With good English, we can read more books and watch more movies. It opens many doors for the future.